Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply Microsoft Word page border. So for you to do that, you have to click on the Windows tab button on your keyboard, or just click and drag your mouse and click on the Windows tab button. Then use the search bar and search for Microsoft Word on your PC, and it's part of the among the recent software I used. So I just open it straightforward. Then right is it. So now you can see this is our page, and we're ready to design a border. So just move your mouse and click on page layout on your Microsoft Office. So if you want to design a cover, or maybe you're writing, or you're designing a document, you're writing a document, and you want to make it look good, more attractive, instead of, and you don't want to make use of template. Sometimes using a template, there are some template or themes that you can use in Microsoft so that can make your work more a bit attractive. So you don't want to use that, or you don't want to use the page color or page stuff like that. Just want a simple design that makes your document looks more attractive. I think you should try and use page border. So just click on page border, and this is it. You can see the page border. This is the border right here. This is page border, and this is the shading. Just move through this and go try and walk through the process. Once you are done setting your border, your page border and the shading, then you can just simply click on OK, and your page border will definitely reflect on your working space. And that's how to apply page borders in Microsoft Word. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.